here we have just another unboxing video. This is for a set of crystal red and clear rear lights to fit a Citroen C2. So this is just a simple upgrade. What can be done at home. Again, it'll take 5 to 10 minutes per light maximum. Really easy to do job. So we'll get them out and have a closer look. They also come with a set of amber bulbs. So as you can see, these have got a real nice, sort of like a smoked dark red finish with a totally crystal clear for the indicator and reverse light. These lights are designed to accept the original bulb holders off your C2, so they literally just unclip and clip directly into these, and then the light is just held in with one fixing bolt. Again, really easy to do job. Anybody can do it at home. These lights are fully E-marked. They are road legal, they are also MOT compliant.